Hello everyone, I am Vijayanand Narsingrao Janardhan. We'll discuss about sources of energy. We do endless activities in our day-to-day life. To carry out all the activities like riding a cycles, driving a vehicles, cooking food, we need energy. So there are different sources of energies for different kind of work. Let us see some different sources of energy. What is good source of energy? The energy which is highly efficient, easily available, eco-friendly, economically, and many more. Sources of energy can be categorized as renewable and non-renewable source of energy. The energy which can be replenished again are renewable energy. Sources are sun, water, wind, biomass, and geothermal. The energy which cannot be replenished again are non-renewable energy. Sources are coal, petrol, natural gas, and nuclear. Conventional source of energy. The conventional source of energies are convenient to use, which are present in a limited quantities and are being used for a long time. Once they are depleted, they cannot be generated at the speed which can sustain its consumption rate. Let us see how the fossil fuels are formed. Fossil fuels are formed decaying the plants and animals that have been converted to crude oil, coal, natural gas by exposed to the heats and high pressure in the earth crust over the hundreds of million years. To reduce the pollutions by increasing their efficiencies of consumption of electricity can be generated by the thermal power plant. Thermal power plant, the large amount of fossil fuels are burned every day in the power stations to heat up the waters to produce the steams which is turns turbine. The steams is converted back to the waters by taking out heats from it. This is done by using the condenser. Rotating turbines move generators and electricity is produced, that is, mechanical energy is converted to the electric energy. Those, this is major weight of electricity generation. It has been certain problems of pollution, deforestation and many more. Hydropower plants. In hydropower plants, potential energy stored in a dam is converted into the kinetic energy of water. Fast flowing water is brought from dam to turbine, which rotates the drives the generators to generate electricity. Because of this plant, forced migrations of many people, submerging of forest and fertile land, and effects on aquatic life. Biomass. The fuel obtained from living organisms are said to be biomass. All organic waste decompose without oxygen, that is anaerobic, releases gases like methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. These gases are stored and are drawn through the pipes for use, and a surly left behind is used as a manure. Wind energy. The unequal heating of landmass and water bodies by solar radiation generates air movements and causes the winds to blow. As the wind strikes the blades of turbine, the blades rotates and axle of the turbines which is connected to the generator through the gearbox, and mechanical energy is converted to the electrical energy. Some non-conventional source of energy of solar energy. The electrical energies can be generated directly from solar radiations without using generators and without using the principle of electromagnetic induction. Solar photovoltaic cells converts the solar energy into the electrical energy. The energy from sea. Tidal energy. Due to the gravitational pull of mainly the moon on the spinning earth, the level of waters into the sea is rises and falls. The difference in the sea levels gives the tidal energy. A turbine fixed at the opening of the dams converts tidal energy to the electrical energy. Wave energy. The waves are generated by strong winds blowing across the sea. The device traps the wave energies for rotation of turbines and production of electricity. Ocean thermal energy. The temperature difference it surface of the sea and deeper sections obtain energies in ocean thermal energy. Geothermal energy. Due to the geological change, molten rocks form into the deeper hot regions of the earth crust are pushed upward and trapped in certain regions called hotspots. When underground waters comes in contact with the hotspots, steam is generated. Steam trapped in rocks is routed through the pipes to turbines and used to generate electricity. Nuclear energy. In nuclear energy, when the uranium is bombarded in an atoms of uranium 235, it absorbs the neutrons and convert into the isotopes of uranium 236. Uranium 236 is a being extremely unstable converted into the atoms of beryllium and krypton through the process of fission release the three neutrons, a high amount of energy is released. Nuclear fusion. In this nuclear fusion, the hydrogen is converted into the heliums. This releases tremendous amount of energy. The condition is needed for this process are extremely, that is millions of degree temperatures and millions of the pressure. Research is continuously going on. The areas of producing the long listing device that will be causes the less damage through their life. Thank you for watching me. Please like and subscribe.